5 home remedies to stop loose motion. Loose motions can be caused due to intake of unhealthy food and upset stomach. They are often watery and person has to visit bathroom again and again because of the watery bowel movements. They can lead to dehydration and weakness in the body. In children, it is very serious as it can lead to the dehydration among them and it could be treated instantly, especially with the infants. Usually they are 2 to 3 days and occur due to the chronic disease of the large intestine. Let's take a look at some of the effective home remedies that can help in treating the loose motion in an effective way. Number 1 is cinnamon. Cinnamon is also effective at treating the various gastrointestinal problems, including loose motions. It has a powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties that will destroy the harmful organisms in your stomach that can cause diarrhea. It will even stimulate the digestive enzyme that helps the drink smoothly along the digestive tract. Combine 1 tablespoon of the cinnamon powder and half teaspoon of the freshly or grated ginger in a cup of the boiling water. Cover the tea for about 30 minutes. Drink the tea 2 to 3 times a day. Number 2 is chamomile. Chamomile has antidiarrheal effect, hence it is good for treating the loose motions. It helps for the digestive system function properly. It has antispasmodic properties that will help to reduce the abdominal spasm and pain. Add 1 teaspoon of each of the dried chamomile flower and peppermint leaves to the cup of hot water. Allow it to stew for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink the tea at least 2 to 3 times a day. You can also make chamomile tea using a pre-packaged tea bags. Number 3 is pomegranate. Pomegranate is another traditional remedy for diarrhea. It provides the body with the antifungal, antiviral and antibacterial benefits. It prevents the harmful bacteria from sticking to the lining of the stomach wall and thus preventing the loose motion from becoming chronic. It can even help to reduce the nausea, vomiting and proper appetite. Drink 1 to 2 glasses of the fresh pomegranate juice throughout the day. Put a handful of the dried pomegranate peels in a cup of the water. Bring it to the boil, then let it steep for the 15 minutes. Strain and drink this liquid in a small amount throughout the day. Number 4 is eat starchy foods. Even though may not want to get even with suffering from the loose motion, it is important to refuel your body with the fried food. Include starchy food in your diet for a few days to help your body feel better. Your body absorbs the nutrients from the starchy food relatively quickly, plus these foods add to your stool. Some of the best starchy foods are pre-cooked white rice, tapioca cereals, boiled potatoes, cooked carrots, and a Prussian rice. Number 5 is stay hydrated. When suffering from the loose motion, there is a high chance of becoming severely dehydrated. Hence, it is important to take necessary steps to stay hydrated. Even minor dehydration can worsen the condition. Sip boiled or filtered water throughout the day. If going out, not forget to carry your water bottle with you. Coconut water can also help you hydrated experiences loose motion. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of the green tea is also beneficial. Additional tips: avoid caffeine and the alcohol can lead to the dehydration and worsen your condition. For a few days, stick to the semi-solid and low fibrous food like soda crackers, toast and rice. You can also eat custard powder mixed with the water. Do not eat dairy products, fatty food and high fiber food or highly sesamed food for a few days. Wash your hands frequently to avoid viral and bacterial infections. Do not eat until your condition improves. Prepare food at home in a hygienic manner. Serve the food immediately after preparing it and store and leftover in the refrigerator.
You like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.